Not long ago, I was broke, not just in the bank, but mentally, emotionally, and worst of all, I didn't believe in my own vision. But I made 5 major shifts, 5 habits that not only changed my income, they changed my identity. And today, I'm building a business empire brick by brick. This video isn't hype, it's why I lived. Let's get into it. My first habit, smart sacrifices. I started investing every single dollar with one mindset. Will this dollar bring me another dollar? I wasn't buying clothes, partying, or upgrading my lifestyle. I was buying tools, ads, and coaching. Even when people around me didn't get it, and when I didn't have a mentor, I followed my gut. Because deep down, we know what's right. You can't build wealth with a poor man's priorities. My second habit, wanting my vision more than the air I breathe. When you really want it, distractions don't even register. I had to shut out opinions, shut off noise, and lock in on my future. No plan B. The vision was the only thing I saw. If you're not obsessed, you're not going to survive the storm that comes before the breakthrough. Before we dive into the rest of these habits, if this didn't speak to you, don't just watch, subscribe, drop a comment with your biggest goal. Let's build something together. All right, back to it. All right, my third habit, not being scared to ask for help. This took humility. I hit rock bottom, financially, mentally, emotionally. I had to get honest. I reached out to people who were ahead of me. Some said no, a few said yes. But each time I asked, I leveled up. Asking for help is not weakness, it is wisdom. My fourth habit, looking for sale, not the money. Money doesn't show up unless value does. I started focusing on solving problems, on helping people say yes, not just getting paid. And the money started following me. The sale is proof of trust, and trust brings revenue. My fifth habit, starting hungry, not humble. Now this one gets me heated. Humble is great, but not when it becomes passive. I've had moments I had to swallow my pride, ask for help, admit what I didn't know. That was my humble stage. But hungry, that what kept me pushing when no one clapped, no one saw. Stay hungry, but stay in motion. If you're broke today, understand, it's not permanent. If you apply these 5 habits, your future will look different. I'm not smarter than you, I just started before I was ready. If this video gave you value, subscribe, share it, and remember, your empire starts with your habits.